Hello, and thank you for your time in deciding to take our meeting. But before our meeting, I would like to explain about our company and our process. So we are Yellomonkey Labs, and our services include website development, search engine optimization, and digital growth. As for website development, we do everything from domain hosting, UI UX, custom coding, speed optimization, e-commerce consulting. We do for SEO, Google Business, competition analysis, keyword research, microblogging, and digital growth. We do social media, content production / management, email campaigns, and ads. So for website development, what we do is we start with the hosting and maintenance. Maybe you would like to have a website hosted with us. You want us to handle all of your maintenance in case you have malware, if you want to create backups, if your website ever goes down, we take care of it, things like that. So that is part of our hosting. As for website development, after we consult on your needs, we go into the planning phase. And for planning, we like to plan on Figma, which is we create the wireframe for you, and we figure out exactly what you need, what your needs are, what kind of pages you need, and we also assist with copywriting, so we know exactly what you would like to have, and we make sure that you like what you see on wireframe before we actually go into production. Okay. Now we also do speed optimization, which is very important for your site loadout, which is going to affect your Google rankings. So we optimize all your sites. We also work on your Google Business if you don't have it. It's very important to get on Google Business, as you'll have important insights, and also you will be able to handle your direct business information, especially if you want to go on maps. For example, you'll see this dashboard and you will be able to handle your own reviews. You must have your business should be appearing on maps for people to be able to find you. And when you have your insights, you can see how many clicks your website is getting, where customers are viewing, what areas of the maps they're viewing from or requesting directions from, and such as this. So you can see how important Google Business is. Alright? And then we do search engine optimization. As for search engine optimization, we set up your Google Analytics and we check out what your current visitors are doing. And we also do keyword competitor analysis, so we see what kind of keywords your competitors are ranking for. For example, this dental client, he has a few dental clinics around him, so we search what keywords these dental clinics are using, where he is ranking on that keyword, and we work with microblogging and other SEO tools in order to rank higher on Google. So in terms of microblogging, what we do is we plan out your content with the specific keywords. So for example, for this website, this person, he would like to create keywords on his services, so when people are searching for these keywords, his website is more likely to show up on Google and in his locality. And as what we do is we break down each section, and our content writing team writes down each section targeted towards those keywords. For example, for this one, this keywords we want to use is Dallas SEO, SEO Dallas, Dallas SEO company. So as you can see, we create the writing to include those keywords so Google can find it and index them, ranking you higher over time. Okay? And we'll also do backlinking. So backlinking is part of your SEO package, and it's important in order to do backlinking so Google can find your website online. For example, for this client, we would create postings in popular websites and comments, so the keyword appears much more in Google, helping the Google ranking. We create social profiles within other websites. So again, it assists with Google ranking, and we can explain this a little bit more in detail during our meeting. Now going into digital growth, this is more of the social media portion, and what we do with social media growth is we can handle your social media accounts: Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, TikTok, Yelp, Google Business. And what we like to do is we like to pre-create the content, make sure we know exactly what kind of content we should be making for that specific date, and we design it on Canva. And what we can do is we can pre-create these contents and post it on these specific dates. And after that, another portion that we do is we do email marketing campaigns. This is important to keep your customers that are already existing, or in order to lead generate for new ones. So one of our campaigns, for example, would be creating a campaign like this. So for example, we send out an email about WordPress development. We create a squeeze page that looks like this, or an email that looks like this. When you click on the email, it will send you to a squeeze page or a landing page where you can collect more information about what they would like. And once they click on the download, then we'll keep their information, and also they will receive an ebook on what the topic of interest. And this will be different about every other industry, but what it can then do is it shows your expertise in the topic, and also it brings trustworthiness. And not only that, the client can receive some sort of value in order to work with you. And we can create these ebooks for you as well, based on your content. And once we have enough, what we can do is we can create a flow series. So if somebody is joining the campaign, you can send them a thank you email, and then depending on if they clicked or not, we can create a whole nother campaign and segment out those email lists into who's interested, who's not, and continuously give them information or promotions on your product, keeping them within the loop. And then after that, the final frontier we usually say is paid ads. We like to work with paid ads near the end, after we have completed our other segments. And paid ads is important because it takes some time for Google to calculate what algorithm works best for you, and depending on each industry, it's going to change the strategy of the paid ads. And that is the bulk of what we do. If you would like to see our work, you can just go on to yellomonkey.com and click on the work section, and we have our portfolio over here, and we're constantly updating, and we look forward to meeting with you and working with you. Thank you.